Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm your boy Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and today I want to show you an old calculator I ran into, a Unitrex Mini Handy M80, or sorry, 80M. Now, this little piece of work came from about 1975, which was well before I was alive, but it has some charm. This old tech definitely has some charm that I just don't see with the new stuff. Check out that red LED. Oh man. That really takes me back to the speak and spell. To, and. What word does it make? Say it. Press the letters. You guys remember that stuff? Actually, I think that might have been green, actually, with a different setup altogether. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 characters in here. This is an arithmetic calculator. And man, for back in the day, this thing would have been unbelievably expensive. I'm still trying to find an original price, but you can bet your butt it's going to be worth more than about 20 bucks back in that time. I remember back in the day when the teachers all told us that we would never have a calculator around us, but now we all do, all the time. One problem I've run into this, and maybe it's just because of its age, is I can get it to... Okay, now that I'm on camera, it's not going to do it. But if I held it just right, I could make it do multiples off of one press, and that might screw you up if you're actually doing work with it. But anyways, let's take a look on the inside of this thing. Battery compartment does not like me. I wonder if this thing was actually used. It came from a place for people who actually take care of stuff. People who actually took care of stuff. Actually, I realized that there's no Phillips head screws on this. I wonder if it just slides off. Maybe it's clips. Oh, it's clips. Yeah, I'm opening this with my fingernail alone. Thank God for fingernails. Come on. There we go. I didn't like that noise, but I didn't break anything. Alright. Oh, look at those. Look at those little balls. I wonder if I can get this thing to work. Let's see, it's supposed to be like that. Oh my goodness, guys, check that out. That is so awesome. Guys, that is so cool. Oh, I pulled it. I pulled it. I did it now. One sec. That's just crazy. It's like they're stuck in bubbles. Come on. Come on. Come on, autofocus. You can do it. There you go. Alright, I'll take a look on the inside. Oh, is that a battery? No, that couldn't be a battery. Actually, I can just take this part right out, except for the power. Use terminals, you dumb bastards. I shouldn't say that. Man. It's interesting how the keypad sits almost like a daughter board. That is really frickin' interesting. And seriously, that chip, it looks like it has a battery on it. What's going on with there? Why do they do it that way? I wonder if that's for heat dissipation. I've never seen a chip do that before. If anyone has any information about this, maybe that's just for cooling? The old Toshiba style logo. That's as far as this teardown as I want to go right now. Anyways, this is it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Like and subscribe, like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated, and take care of each other. Have a good one.